Naayos na yung Charmaine ang ayong mga maleta. Ayan. So, Diamond Hotel.
Hi, ate! How are you?
We are here at Cascade. Wow. This is the voice. Ano? Wow. Thank you so much. Nag-wiggle-wiggle pa. Hot sauce. Tis na ka man. Get up. Okay, very good. Naayos na yung Charmaine ang ayong mga maleta. Ayan. Inayos na lahat. Goodbye, Holiday Inn. Goodbye, Holiday Inn.
Bye!
Okay, last day. May pupuntahan lang kami isa pa mamaya na galaan. Yung Mother Armenia. Ayun ang mga bagahe namin. Naglalakad-lakad lang kami dito sa park. Nag-ubos ng oras for our last day here in Armenia. Mamaya ang flight namin ay 7:35 PM. Mamimili lang kami ng mga last minute pasalubong. Then tayo na magpunta ng Mother of Armenia. And then we'll see kung may oras pa, kain pa kami sa restaurant dito sa Grillian. Yan sila. Lalakad-lakad. Ito yung surroundings. Yan. Surroundings ng park. Ito, Diamond Hotel. Kapangalan ng kung saan kami check-in nung bago kami ikasal ni Charmaine. Kasi malapit sa Diamond Hotel Manila yung aming reception. Tawid lang. We are here at
Pie, pie, pie!
Katang Charm.
Here's the... makapag-toilet ko. Nagchan ko pag...
Kapapa siya. And
Let's go down! Mama! Hi! Pie, pie, pie! Lalo? Hi, ate! How are you?
We are here at Cascade, Armenia. Tayo namin umakyat doon sa taas.
Ganyan, tampas pa na escalator eh.
Ang taas ng pag-aakyat mo ng manamano. Grabe. Hindi ko na yata kaya. We are here at Cafesian Center for the Arts. Grabe, ang takik. Yun yung kabilang side ko sa may galing na escalator. Ang takik din, oh. Nakakalula. Sobrang taas. Ayun po. Ang gandong pa. Pero okay lang ito kasi naman i-manual namin akyatin. Mas mahirap. Cafesian Center for the Arts, Armenia. Kada level ng escalator meron din siya mga iba't ibang art. Ito malaking sapatos. May mga sofa na parang hugis lips. Charm. Sa picture ko.
Lola.
So from here, makikita mo almost lahat ng structure and buildings sa city of Yerevan. With baby si Vito. Yerevan City top view. One more. Yan, dyan kami galing sa baba kanina. Yan, sa baba. Dyan kami nag-picture-picture. Going down. Grabe. Ang ganda sa taas, no? Andun yung bag namin. Kinaiwan ka kanina. Ayan, nandyan. Punta kami na Mother of Armenia. Andito na kami ngayon sa Victory Park. At andito rin ang Mother of Armenia. Pakita ko sa inyo later pagdating namin doon.
Hey, come on.
Yung along the way papunta sa Mother of Armenia, may mga binibenta ng mga toys, drinks and ice cream. Nakita na namin ang The Voice. May Ferris wheel doon, ah. This is The Voice. Yung mga lago, ano?
Kaya.
Ba, sana maglawin na si Christopher. Ano, may mga rides.
Kaya. Ako, wala na akong sa SpongeBob.
O ano?
Parang ano siya, malita perya. Oh, may dinosaur, oh.
Oo nga, sa Dino Park. Victory Park nga. Ayan na. We are here at Victory Park. Thank you. Park siyang ano, little amusement park.
Ang galing, oh, may
May mga nagde-date.
swan.
Parang tayo lang dati.
Tornado, ano yan? Tornado.
Yeah.
Tornado.
Jobert. Ito na pala. Oh my goodness. Lapit lang, tawag mo sa kaya sila mama para may picture sila kita. We are now here at Mother of Armenia. Ay, ang galing, oh. Yung mga racket-racket sila. Ah, para siyang museum na rin ng mga ano, ng mga military hardware. May rocket, May rocket launcher, may cannon dun sa likod. So talaga mapoprotektahan ng Armenia kasi may mga arsenal sila dito. Hindi natin yun ng front view. May malaki siyang espada to protect the Armenia. May mga tangke din dito. Tanks, cannon. Para siyang fortress ng Armenia. May view din siya ng city. Picture lang doon. Ito yung mga tanks. Ito yung overview ng city. There. Okay to pag mga family day. Kasi maraming mga bata dito na pwedeng makalago ng mga anak nyo. And mga rides na pwedeng sakyan ng mga bata. May mga armored car din doon, maliban sa tangke. Again, Mother of Armenia. Our last day in Armenia.
Yay!
Thank you, Armenia. Akit kami pasok pala kami sa loob ng Mother of Armenia. Tignan natin kung anong nasa loob. Hi. Guys, pakita namin sa inyo yung parang continuous na flame dito sa Mother of Armenia. Para siyang tribute dun sa mga namatay na soldier nila. For laging nakasinde, never siyang namamatay. Ayoko na bumaba, i-zoom ko na lang. I don't know if you can see it, pero meron yan. Ayan, kita naman yan. So, ayan yan. Okay, let's go back. Sasakay kami ng train sa park. Bali, 500 per person yung train, and then yung card is 300. So, apat kami. Total of 2,000?
300.
2,300. Yan sila mama, nag-aantay sa amin. Come on, ride, come on. Come on, ride the train, come on.
Ride the train! Go to the train! Lahat tayo.
Christoph, say hi. Mama. Si baby, nagde-baby.
Happy si baby,
Yahoo!
Yeah, you're so happy.
First time kong makasakay sa right side driving. Dito ako ngayon sa kanan. Pero yung nagmamaneho na sa gilid. Yan sigurado. kami ngayon sa Grillian Restaurant. Ang aming last meal dito sa Yerevan. On the way to Grillian Restaurant. We are here now at Grillian. Grillian.
Maybe here.
Sure. Thank you. Ooh.
Wala nang kahit
Ito mayroon din sila mga wines. Ito in order namin. This one. The pork knuckle. Okay, that's it.
sarap. Ayaw na ano. Tabagin ko. Ano to eh.
Poseidon.
Pwede nang kainin.
Oh, sige.
Alin dyan? Berries yata yun.
Ayaw nga. No? Hindi, tingnan na natin eh. Citrus sa tingnan.
But how many the piece of the bread?
This is berries, right?
It's a
Berries, right?
yes, berry.
Gusto mo try citrus? Yeah, can we try the berries?
Citrus.
Yeah.
Pickle.
Wow.
Poseidon salad. Bon appetit.
And I don't like tomato. I don't like tomato. Okay, don't touch it.
Later.
Nag-order ulit kami ng kanin. Tatlong kanin. Diyan natin si brother. Wow. Mhm. Kind of crunchy. Crispy. Wow, Cristo. Look at that. May buto rin. May bone pa rin.
Maganda nga yun. Ganyan.
Hmm.
Ay, ganyan.
Thank you. Oh, you're sleepy, Christoph. Mama.
Ay.
Well, and then with my stuff on my soul. Look, I don't know my soul. Look,
Thank you so much, brother.
Spicy mustard, this spicy sauce.
Ah,
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. You have ano, non-spicy or
No spicy?
yeah, you have.
This spice.
Spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, brother.
Thank you.
Yay! Are you excited?
Eat.
Okay. Kumain tayo na dito.
Kaya nga.
Ano daw itong sauce na ba?
Spicy, mustard. Ito naman, spicy sauce.
Try kaya natin.
Ah, kaya mo muna. Pero nangingit din ako na anak.
Ang hindi.
I-mix natin.
Kaya nga. Mama.
Lagyan mo ng
Ay, teka ito. Oo, nakaka-excite naman.
Oo, dito.
Mahingi din ako ng non-spice, mama.
Ah.
This sweet sauce.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
There's not time to eat. Ano isa pa? This is your yum yum.
Baka matapangan ka doon sa kanyang mustard.
Mm.
Oh, you will eat this with rice, okay? Show me how to eat it with rice.
It's not.
That's this is a sweet sauce.
Look at that.
Mm.
Oh.
The pizza.
Musok
Are you
pa.
sure it's good?
The pizza.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay, good job.
Mm.
Okay. That's a spoon.
Tapos natin sa spicy mustard.
Sweet sauce. My sweet sauce is in the kitchen.
You want some more? Okay.
Mm. Parang siyang may wasabing taste, no?
Mm.
Eat with rice, with rice. Yeah, that's your sauce. Okay. Are you good? Keep it there, keep it there.
Konting ano.
It's great stuff, sauce. Not too much, ano? Saan tinidor niya? Eat this one. Eat this one. Okay. Dami niya yung lagay.
Okay na, sweet sauce naman.
No. Just for the sauce.
Sabi natin walang ano. Let's try without any sauce. Yung meat nila.
Matabang. Kaya
Mm.
ikaw maglalagay ng black na.
Mm. May mga salt and pepper, no?
Mm-mm.
With rice.
Mm.
Okay? With rice, with rice. That one. Put it down. Okay. On the rice. Okay. Okay.
Parang corned beef.
Oh, use tissue.
Sobrang lambot. Musok pa.
Tingin tissue. Tissue si this way. Thank you.
With spicy, red spice.
Eat some more.
Mm. And some cherry tomato.
Okay. Dip this up.
Parang corned beef, mamo. Iiwahiwalay. Pork corned beef. Parang siyang corn pork pala kasi hindi wala siya beef. You know, iiwahiwalay yung laman. Mm.
Tapos ang presto.
Mm.
Ito ba maanghang?
Makang din. Yung kikisap naman matamis. Yung mga
Anak ko nga. Rito, don't play that one.
Oh, Lola wants also the sauce, okay? Share with Lola. Nagustuhan niya yung sauce na yun, so ketchup.
No, no.
Share kayo nila.
Wait, wait, wait. Do not play, ha? Do not play.
But I'm missing
Ito
the
pa yung
Nag-wiggle-wiggle pa. Hot sauce. Dami. May pag mga titira. Yeah.
Rafa, je hebt een zo'n shot samen.
Last bite.
Wow.
Dat one is old airport. How is this is the
Ah, this is the old
yeah,
one.
that is the old.
There. Yay. Ito na air control. Air control siguro yung tower.
Airport. Or the airport. You know, the airport. Say goodbye. Bye.
We are here now at Yerevan Airport. Hanapin namin kung saan kami. Kung saan kaming airlines. Gustav is still playing his new toy. This is our baggage. Nahanap na namin ang aming pipilahan. Wizz Air Abu Dhabi. Ayun. Hello. Ano ba ngayon? Good afternoon na. 5:30. Maliwanag pa sa labas.
Ay! Anak na! Ay,
Oh my goodness. Inaabot ni si Vito ang apple cake. And we're just waiting for our boarding. Nagbili muna kami ng coffee sa Segafredo Zanepe Express.
Oh, no more. Finish na.
this one, oh.
I'm full.
What?
What's that?
This is drink. This is coffee drink. It's not allowed to you.
What do you want, baby?
Let's try the apple cake.
Shawarma yung kinain nila eh. Shawarma.
Where are we going?
Abu
Where?
Dhabi.
We're going home.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Armen.
Bye.
Oh, wait. Going.
Dada, hey! What is... Ano may toy? May toy. Dada, what is that bridge? Hey, Dada! Hey!
Hey,
Dada!
that's airport bridge.
What's that airport bridge?
Ayan yung siguro yung mga bagahe natin na nilalagay.
Listo! Woo! We're going home! Bye! Christoph! Christoph, are you excited going home? Where are we going? Where?
And Sarajevo.
UAE. Hermine.
Okay.
We're going home. Hey. Naka-baby belt din siya. See you Abu Dhabi after 5 hours. Dapat 3 hours lang yung usual ano. Pero because of the current situation, naging 5 hours. See you. Touchdown, Abu Dhabi. Sakay pa pala sa bus. Ito yung pinamabigat eh.
Ay, yung isa oh.
Ito yung mga fruits.
Ayun pa yung isa.
Hi, we are here at Abu Dhabi. Dito na namin tatapusin ang aming 8-days vlog. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.
We're home.
We're home. Say bye, Crystal.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye-bye. God bless to all and remember, family first.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.